All right, so today's sneak peek, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with our napkins. All right, so this is what the napkins are going to look like. We got our blue, we got our gold. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how I did these napkins this way. And I'll continue to update you on the process. Avery, you ready? And I also wanted to show you these containers, these cloaks I got from Z Gallery. I told you I was going to be doing a tablescape with them. And yes, this is what they look like. So you're going to see more of these items when I place them on the table. Avery, you ready? And once you got it folded in like a accordion style, you just put your napkin ring over. You got it, Avery? You just put your napkin ring over once you got it in an accordion style. And that is how we get this particular bow tie look. Hope you like it.